Here's a lovely winter warmer for you. Just start off in the man climbing mountain stance. So please enlarge the shoulders and turn your body here. Put one arm out in full extension. Slightly bend this arm and the rear arm and just swing, swing, swing. Do this about. And as you swing, up and down and down. Okay, swinging, swinging, swing. And then on the 10th one, you jump to the other side, you start back. Same here. This from the side. Man climbing mountain. Shoulders square, swinging. And bending your knees. You'll soon feel very warm. And then after the 10th one, jump to the other side. Repeat again. Thanks for watching.